Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download Minecraft on your iPhone. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, simply open up the App Store on your mobile device and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, at the bottom, simply search for Minecraft in the search bar. And just like that, you will see official Minecraft app. Tap onto it. Now, if you have never downloaded it before, it will show you a price, usually around $5 or $6 depending on your country. If you already purchased it before, it will show a cloud icon to re-download it. Go ahead and simply tap on Get or the Price button and then confirm using your Face ID or password. It's a large app around 1.1 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough space. So once it is installed, you need to go ahead and simply tap on open, and when you launch Minecraft, simply tap on don't allow if it asks for notification, and just like that, sign in with your Microsoft account if you want to sync your progress. Otherwise, you can tap on maybe later or get started. And that's it. You can now start playing Minecraft right on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.